All right, just what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go pick up the Hellcat Redeye at the shop. And one thing I don't want to do is wake my neighbors up, because it has a mid-muffler delete, and I'm just courteous that way. Coming up to the shop, and there better not be no bums in here. Okay, sometimes there's some homeless people over here. My shop right here. So this is where I keep my Hellcat, the Redeye. So if you don't know about me, what I do paintless dent removal. So what that is I take out dents without having to repaint. We take really cool shots of different cars that we work on, things like that. Let me give you a little tour of the shop here. This is where the Hellcat had a sleepover tonight at the shop. That's my 2500 pickup right there. And I got a tuner car over here. And I haven't been giving it much love. In fact, I haven't started it in a while, so I gotta start it later on. Bang. You can see, yeah, like I said, it's a little dirty, but it's not bad. I gotta wash this engine bay, make it look super clean and nice, and tidy up the wires and all that other stuff. Cold start this Redeye. The only thing I did performance-wise was do a mid-muffler delete, and I highly recommend it. I mean, that's the first thing I would do, and I did do, and I would recommend you guys do. Suspension-wise, I'm still on the fence of that. I don't know if I want to lower it. Look, Chrysler, Dodge designed it like this, and honestly, yeah, it could look a little better lowered, but man, this is the best way. I think it looks freaking sick the way it is, man. But you know, maybe 10 years from now, people, I think, I'll have regrets if they lower the car. I think it's going to put more wear and tear on the vehicle in the long run. I have lowered cars. I used to do all that stuff myself too as well, but I'm just getting older, but I also think I'm getting wiser too. so I got my GoPro Hero Max above me. It's giving a 360 view of the cars. My car's right here. And we're gonna go check out the rest of the cars, see what's cracking over here. Yeah, there's a lot more cars here last time that I was here. Of course, I'm here on time this time. Like I said, I'll probably stay here. I'll probably do a quick Swift over here. Do I recommend the 360 right now? I don't know, man. I don't think so. It's been unreliable for the shots I really want, and I don't know, man. Just think it's friggin' ridiculous. I don't know. Bro, I'm not sure if I like the GoPro. Better relax.
Menu. Advanced highway.
We'll put this on highway.
Exit.
Alright, so would I still get the Redeye after 3.5 months? Hell yeah. I've been pretty damn lucky buying cars my whole life, man. I don't think I bought a car that I really regretted, or more buyer's remorse, shall I say. And this car has got to be one of the funnest cars I've had. Now, I had a yellow M3, canary yellow, and I thought that was pretty fast, but it wasn't an animal. I mean, it was quick, it was fast, but it wasn't an animal. I mean, this is like this is a circus animal. Like right here, this one, like, yeah, it's on a leash, but if you ain't paying attention and you don't have this thing on a leash, it can do anything to you. It can kill you. Hurt you, and that's why I call it an animal, because it can turn on you any second if you don't respect this car. And I'm not talking if it's a Hellcat or a Redeye or a Demon. These cars are super fast, and I agree with people out there who've been saying, listen, you know, right now I think most of the generation of Hellcats are on the second generation, because you got like what the 2015 came out. That's when they came out, and now we're going to 2020. So yeah, it's about 3 years, 4 years, guys. guys start selling their Hellcats, and then you get into the guys who are still pretty good with cars. They still want to keep their cars really nice and yada yada, but they got it for a much lower price. And then you got the kids who will get the car at a way lower price with about 150,000 miles on it or so. And that's when you got a problem. That's where kids jump from a tuner to a Mopar, and it's a night and day difference. Actually, it's a heaven and hell difference. Listen, I was a tuner guy too. I still actually own one, and that's when you're going to have a problem with those kids, because they're not going to understand how fast this thing is, and they're going to want to race, and they're going to want to show off, and they're going to want to boost it, and they want to get it more horsepower. You're going to see the new generation of Mopars. I think it's going to switch over from tuners now to Mopars, or to Corvettes, Camaros. It's going to be like the old 50s and 60s back then, in the new generation of the 2020. I don't care what anybody says, this car is fun going around the corners. My only thing is that you have to be damn careful. I mean, don't gun it around the corners. Give it a little, it wants to give you some feedback, but don't hit the throttle too hard, too fast. I mean, it can hit it like, ooh, just consistent. That's what I would say. That's probably the word I'm looking for. Mash it down consistent, and then you can feel it go right into the corners, which really feels awesome. Wasting my whole GoPro thing on. And then it goes into tame mode. It's like, all right, man, stop messing with me, because I kept it in 3rd and 4th gear, and that's where I like it at. Like when I'm going around the corners, I drop it down to 3rd, sometimes 4th, and man, look at that view right there, huh? Oh, actually, I did. Look at that view. That's pretty. That is a gorgeous view of the lake. See, that GoPro Max, man, it chokes. I don't know why, but anyways. All right, so that's my ride. That's my morning at Cars and Coffee. Hope you guys liked it. I'll talk to you guys later.